The iPhone 17 Air is making waves again, and this time, it's due to a newly leaked protective case that seemingly confirms its bold new design. Noted leaker Sonny Dixon has shared an image of what appears to be a case for the yet-to-be-announced iPhone 17 Air, adding credibility to earlier reports of a major design shift. This leak supports previous CAD drawings and metal molds, reinforcing the idea that Apple is moving toward a dramatic redesign. The most eye-catching change? A horizontal camera bump positioned across the top of the device, an approach that many compare to Google's Pixel lineup. For months, speculation has suggested that the iPhone 17 series would undergo a significant design overhaul, and this case leak adds further weight to that notion. If this case is indeed based on the final design, it could mark a major departure from Apple's traditional iPhone aesthetics. Among the most discussed changes is the so-called camera bar, replacing the vertically stacked cameras seen in previous iPhones. This bold shift has sparked debate. Some users welcome the fresh approach, while others criticize its resemblance to the Pixel series. Adding to the intrigue, reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Air could replace the Plus model in Apple's lineup. Beyond the camera bump, another standout feature is the device's incredible thinness. Rumors indicate that the iPhone 17 Air might be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, measuring between 5.44 mm and 5.5 mm, excluding the camera bump. To put this into perspective, the iPhone 16 is 7.8 mm thick, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max measures 8.25 mm. Even if the camera bar adds around 4 mm of thickness at the top, the iPhone 17 Air will still be significantly slimmer than its predecessors. However, such extreme thinness raises concerns about battery life. Historically, ultra-thin devices have struggled with battery performance due to reduced space for larger battery cells. Some sources suggest that Apple may have a clever solution to avoid battery life compromises, though specific details remain unclear. Additionally, whispers in the industry suggest that Apple initially considered making the iPhone 17 Air a portless device, but whether those plans are still in motion remains unknown. One key detail to keep in mind is that the source of the leaked case image remains unverified. It's possible that case manufacturers are simply trying to get ahead of the competition by designing accessories based on leaks and rumors rather than official Apple specifications. That said, Sonny Dixon has a strong track record of accurate leaks, including early details about the iPhone 16's display sizes, lending some credibility to this latest revelation. If the iPhone 17 Air does launch with this radical new design, it will likely go head-to-head with Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung has already teased the S25 Edge, and based on what we've seen, it's another ultra-thin smartphone with a sleek, modern design. Unlike the iPhone 17 Air, whose design remains speculative, the Galaxy S25 Edge is confirmed and has already been showcased by Samsung. With every new leak, the iPhone 17 Air's design speculation gains more traction. Whether Apple fans will embrace this bold change or reject it remains to be seen. One thing is certain, if these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 17 Air could be one of Apple's most controversial iPhones yet. Meanwhile, over in the Android world, Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy S25 series. The launch event introduced three models: Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail box images leaked, revealing the sleek packaging of the new lineup. As expected, the boxes are thin, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste by excluding in-box chargers. The color lineup for the Galaxy S25 series is equally exciting. Galaxy S25, Elegant Gray. Galaxy S25 Plus, Dark Blue. Galaxy S25 Ultra, Titanium Ice Blue. Samsung has made bold design choices, particularly with the Ultra model, which maintains the S Pen slot while introducing rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. All three models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a customized overclocked version designed for Galaxy devices. The base Galaxy S25 offers 128 GB of storage, which some may find limiting, but Samsung compensates by boosting RAM to 12 GB across all base models. Storage options start at 256 gigabytes as standard, with a 512 gigabytes option available for those needing more space. Excitement around the Galaxy S25 series has only grown, with hands-on images showcasing a refined and premium aesthetic. The Ultra model stands out with its sleek camera rings, flat edges, and a streamlined back panel, all contributing to a more polished look. Samsung has also introduced exclusive online-only colors, including black, coral red, blue, and pink gold. In terms of pricing, Samsung has kept the base prices steady, despite rising production costs and an increased USD to KRW exchange rate. Here's the breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy